Hello everyone and welcome back to the third lecture in our Cybersecurity Essential course. The unit is Introduction to Cybersecurity. In the last lecture we learned about the basics of cybersecurity, what are the benefits of cybersecurity and how the internet works from ARPANET to DNS and how devices connects using the IP addresses. But now that we understand how everything connects online, it's time to ask an important question. How do we keep this data safe? So the answer begins with understanding of CIA triad, the three most important goals of cybersecurity. And the CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So, the CIA triad is a simple but a powerful model in cybersecurity. These are the three principles which are used by every organization, developers, and security experts to protect the information from any malicious activity. So, let's take each one step by steps with example. So the first is confidentiality. As C stand for confidentiality, it simply means keeping data private. Okay, so imagine you are checking your exam result online. Only you should be able to see them, right? Not your classmates, not your friends, not your family members, or not even any stranger. So that is confidentiality. Confidentiality means making sure that only authorized people can access the data. Only people with permission should access the sensitive data. So example is logging into your Gmail or your bank account. Now imagine you check your marks and see are 98 out of 100, but later sometime hacks the system and changes it to 48. So that is a failure of integrity. Integrity means keeping the data correct. The data must be accurate, unchanged, and trustworthy. So, real world example is like if a bank transfers 10,000 rupees to your account, and it should not suddenly becomes 1,000 due to some system error. So techniques used which are used in integrity like checksum, digital signature, and hash functions. These help verify that the data has not been tampered with. Now let's understand the concept of availability. As the last A in CIA stands for availability. Availability simply means always accessible. So let's say, what if you try to open your own online class portal before an exam and the website says server down or any unexpected error? So that's a problem of availability. Availability means the system, services, or the data must be available when the user needs it. So real world examples like you should be able to use Google Drive or YouTube or your any WhatsApp anytime, not only during office hours. So techniques which are used in availability like backup system, firewalls, server load balancing, etc. So why all three are needed in cybersecurity? These are the real power of cybersecurity. These are the most important pillars of cybersecurity. Without confidentiality, your private data can be stolen. Without integrity, you can't trust your data. Okay. And without availability, the system is useless even if it's secure. So every good cybersecurity system must balance all these three goals. So, in our next lecture, we'll explore real cybercrime incidents and discuss why people commit cybercrimes. That's all about this video. Thank you.